Hi. Today we're gonna. Oh. Hi. What is wrong with this game? I'm gonna be playing whatever this game is. I don't know what it is. Don't kill me, please. Playing first person. Close. Bang bang. Okay. No, don't copyright me, please. Okay, okay. I don't even know if we're live. Are we even live? Yep, we are. Okay, great. Okay, well, let's leave this game. Okay, so, apparently that didn't work. Because that game's a complete failure. Let's play Call Salmon House. Probably gonna get horribly wrecked. Oh! Hi. We're wearing the same shirt. What have you been on my left? Julian83338. Oh, great. I just got teamed here by Robux. 1, 2, 3. Hi Roblox. 1, 2, 3. Oh crap! Don't touch that. Now I'm, I guess, having a seizure. He's fallen and he can't get up. Don't make me. Oh, okay. He's fallen permanently and he can't get up. Oh, standing again. Standing again. Oh, thank you. Where did it copy? My parents don't know what to be. People this. Okay, that. Really. No, Elmini Castle and this. My mistake. And Stefano Castle. This is the Stefano Elmito Castle. Take it away out. Get off it. Make the whole pillow. Hate the police. Only pretty just the stuff for dolphin. A cop gonna get cracked. So listen, the glitch sound, yay. Like this, okay. I hope you guys like this video, which was 4 minutes long. So, bye.